Hello and welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video I'm going to be quite thorough with a few things, and it's for you guys to pick the best decision and what's best for you. So we have the top shelf store for Icarsoft. When I say top shelf, I'm talking about the best of the best. So you've got the CR Ultra P on the left here, which is their best. You've got the Icarsoft again CR Max P, which is their newest and latest diagnostic machine, which replaces the CR Max BT, which is one of their top sellers. The thing here is the CR Max P in the middle is a free lifetime update with no subscription, so enjoy. The minute you pay, you enjoy. The figure on this one is around about £500-ish, depending on the offer they have on. The figure on the one on the right is around about £400. Again, free lifetime update, no subscription. The one on the left is your best of the best, okay? So I'm going to get into it in more depth. This one's got 3 years free lifetime update, which kind of kills the market for a lot of the other manufacturers, such as, like, I don't know, Hotel, shall we say? Snap-on. Some of them offer 2 years, whereas this one's 3 years. And the figure on this one is about £1,200, £1,100, depending on the offer they have on. But remember, this one here is actually well, in comparison, you've got it as the Hotel Ultra Light S. That's the comparison, and the price of that is around about 2.5, 3 grand. This one is equivalent to the Hotel MS908 S Pro, and that's around about £1,600-ish, depending on the offers they have on. And this one is equivalent to your, I don't know, a normal hotel, should we say, around about £800. But let me get into it in depth. So let's make this quite simple. So the CR Max BT over there, this one here, is best for most like DIYers and small garages. The CR Max P here is the new upgraded version of the Max BT. This one, okay? And it's for DIYers, for small garages, mobile mechanics. And then your best one here, the CR Ultra P, the flagship professional level machine. I mean, the easiest way to put it, I mean, think of the CR Max BT as the original flagship, okay? The CR Max P as the upgraded replacement, and the CR Ultra P as the no compromise, like, professional model. It's the best of the best, in other words. And what I like about this one here, it has 10,000 mAh battery, which kind of lasts for about 8 hours continuous non-stop. And it's a 10-inch screen compared to the old school, which is a lot smaller. You can clearly see you can fit 2 or 3 of them into that one there. Hey guys, and it's easy to use, I'll be honest. The CR Max BT has been one of the Icarsoft's most popular professional scanners. It gives you a full system diagnostics, bi-directional control, ECU functions, and around about 50 service resets, all with wireless Bluetooth cable. Where is the cable? Oh, here it is, guys. There you are behind it. It's a brilliant piece of kit. It hooks onto the steering as well, which makes life really easy there. It's ideal, like I said, for serious DIYers, mobile mechanics, small independent workshops. Moving on to the CR Max P. The new CR Max P takes everything that kind of made the Max BT popular and improves the hardware significantly. You now get a larger 10-inch, as we said, Android tablet, more storage, I think 64 gigabyte you get. A bigger battery, 10,000 mAh as far as I know, CAN FD, diop support, ECU coding functions, and more professional workshop. So kind of feels overall, I mean, it's sweet. And who is it for? That's the question. So busy workshops, mobile mechanics, users wanting a larger screen and newer platform. And like we said, it's quite unbeatable. You've got the Bluetooth thingy there. Comes with this lovely box full of wiring and whatnot, what you need, in other words. The CR Ultra P is the scanner for people who want everything. Like, I don't know, you know when you go buy a car and you want every single spec? This is it, in other words. So, on top of the diagnostic and active tests found in the Max series, you also get topology mapping, online programming and capability, heavy-duty trucks expansion options, and more advanced coding and calibration functions. So if you ask me, who is it for? It's ideal for full-time technicians, advanced diagnostic specialists, workshop dealing with modules, programming, and complex repairs. This is your bad boy there. And that's the real deal, where you can actually code and program bits and bobs, ECU, airbag modules, you name it. Which one would I buy? That's a very good question. Which one would I buy? I mean, if you're a DIY enthusiast, CR Max BT. You'll probably never use the ultra advanced programming features, but if you're a garage owner or a mobile technician, then the CR Max P, this is the newest like sweet spot in the range. You get the latest hardware, larger screen, modern vehicle support, ECU coding. Don't forget it's lifetime update as well, guys, without stepping on, stepping into ultra money. I know it's going to be silly, crazy money for updates. Like I said, it's about 1,100-1,200 quid for hotel. If Diagnostic is your business, guys, the CR Ultra P is the one, I would say. It's the extra programming, topology mapping, and advanced functions, and makes sense when you're diagnosing vehicles every day. Back onto my original question is, if I was spending my money today, the CR Max P would be the one I'd pick. I'll be honest, this one here, guys. The reason would be, it gives you about 90 to 95% of what most technicians need, but without the premium price tag of the Ultra P. That's around about 1,200 quid, 500 quid. You see the price difference. 3 years lifetime update, whereas this one's unlimited. You just can enjoy every day, okay, without having to spend any money. For most garages and mobile mechanics, that's probably the sweet spot in the Icarsoft range. So, yes, this is the winner chicken dinner, they say, eh? You can't beat it. As you can see, it's a beautiful big tablet. It really is easy to use in that sense, guys. And this is the old school, one of the most top sellers. And they are unbreakable, I'll be honest. I don't want to try it on this one because it's bigger. But, guys, let me know. Please do let me know what you guys think. It'd be nice to hear your feedbacks. Comment. Let me see what you think. If there's anything I've missed, by all means, let me know. But remember, I've made videos on this in the past, and I've made plenty of videos on that as well. I'm going to make a lot more on this, but you've got to remember, this is just coming. So you've got to bear with me when it comes to a lot of coding and programming. I'll do it, and I'll show you guys at a later stage as well. I hope my videos has been like useful. Please do like and subscribe so we can get this channel to its top notch. And yeah, comment. I'll try and get back to you, and if I don't, I can only apologize because we go through so many comments and messages on a daily basis. Thank you very much for watching, and take care, guys.